Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fade in and out on CapCut PC. I'm also going to do it for the text as well. So for the video, go to animation and select the fade in animation. You can also adjust the duration of your fade in animation as well. Then for the fade out one, go to out and select fade out, and you can again adjust the duration. For the text, you can select the text here, and then it's the same basically. So just go to the animation section again, and you can add in a fade in animation. You can add in a fade in animation. And you can also adjust the duration as well as the fade out animation as well for the text. And here is the final result. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.